How many times have you looked at your bank account, felt the crushing weight of your own potential, and wondered why the life you dream of feels so impossibly far away? We are told that money is the ultimate goal, that if we just work a little harder or chase the next big trend, we will finally be free. But here is the bitter, unspoken truth that nobody wants to tell you. You are fighting a losing battle if you are trying to build a palace on a foundation of sand. You can chase the paycheck, you can hustle until you collapse, but until you master the man or woman in the mirror, money will always slip through your fingers like water. Today, we are going to burn down the old, ineffective ways of thinking and lay a new foundation. If you want the life that 99% of people only talk about, you have to become the person who is capable of sustaining it. Keep watching, because by the end of this, you will understand exactly why your internal world is the only thing standing between you and the fortune you deserve. The first keynote emphasizes that financial wealth is far more than a mere accumulation of currency. It is the physical, tangible manifestation of a carefully constructed internal architecture. To achieve lasting success, one must recognize that the external reality of your bank account is simply a mirror reflecting the quality of your thoughts, the depth of your discipline, and the clarity of your purpose. Many individuals erroneously chase money as an external prize, failing to realize that prosperity is birthed from the invisible realm of the mind. You must first develop a blueprint of success, which consists of unwavering beliefs, a mindset rooted in abundance rather than scarcity, and the rigorous mental control required to execute a definite plan. When your internal world is chaotic, indecisive, or plagued by self-doubt, your external financial results will inevitably mirror that instability. True wealth begins the moment you accept that your mind is the laboratory where your fortune is manufactured before it ever manifests in your life. The law of compensation serves as the absolute governing principle of all material success, dictating that your financial rewards are inextricably linked to the value you contribute to the world. It is a fundamental truth that you cannot extract more from your professional or personal endeavors than the value you have first cultivated within your own character. Your income is not arbitrary. It acts as a precise measurement of the service you provide, the unique skills you have refined, and the degree of responsibility you are willing to assume. If you find your current compensation insufficient, the solution is not to demand more from the marketplace, but to elevate your own personal development until your output exceeds your current station. By focusing on your self-growth and expanding your capabilities, you naturally increase your worth, creating a situation where your financial return must rise to match the increased value you now embody through your dedicated and persistent self-improvement efforts. Mastery over money is fundamentally impossible if your mind remains enslaved to the volatile currents of fear, greed, or procrastination. These negative emotional states act as mental blockages that prevent rational decision-making, forcing you to react to market conditions with impulse rather than strategy. To truly command your financial future, you must cultivate the ability to regulate your internal landscape, ensuring that your actions are guided by logic, faith, and calculated foresight. When you allow greed to cloud your judgment, you invite unnecessary risk. And when you allow fear to paralyze your potential, you forfeit opportunities that could have altered your trajectory. Discipline is the bridge that connects your intent to your results, requiring you to override your most primitive urges with the clear, objective requirements of your long-term goals. By learning to maintain an unwavering, calm equilibrium, you transform from a passive victim of your circumstances into the focused, deliberate architect of your own lasting prosperity. Before any meaningful wealth can be accumulated, you must achieve a state of absolute clarity regarding exactly what you intend to create, and more importantly, the specific transformation you must undergo to sustain it. A life without a definite purpose is like a ship without a rudder, aimlessly drifting toward whatever destination the currents choose. True financial success requires a vivid, written vision that transcends simple desire. It demands a blueprint of your future self. You must identify the precise attributes, skills, and mental habits that the version of you who possesses that wealth already embodies. This requires an honest search and analysis of your current limitations and a deliberate commitment to shedding the habits that hinder your progress. When you define your target with unshakable certainty and align your daily actions with the person you intend to become, you transform from a casual dreamer into a focused operator who demands the resources necessary to bring your vision into reality. Money is notoriously elusive to those who possess the fragile habit of retreating at the first sign of difficulty. It is magnetically drawn to the individual who has cultivated the indomitable power of persistence, a quality that separates the master from the dreamer. When you pursue significant financial goals, you will inevitably encounter temporary setbacks, market fluctuations, and personal failures that test your resolve. If you view these obstacles as signs to stop, you have already abandoned your path to wealth. Instead, you must recognize that defeat is merely a temporary condition, not a permanent state, and that every challenge contains the seed of an equivalent advantage. By refusing to let your spirit falter, you develop the resilience necessary to navigate the complexities of long-term accumulation. Wealth prefers the company of those who remain steadfast to their mission, ensuring that their effort continues unabated until their vision has been successfully converted into a tangible, enduring financial reality for themselves. Money is essentially a neutral medium of exchange, an inanimate force that takes its power and direction solely from the intent of the person who wields it. The secret to mastering this force lies not in the pursuit of the money itself, but in the relentless perfection of your capacity to provide exceptional value and service to your fellow human beings. When you shift your focus from extracting wealth to creating value, you align yourself with the fundamental mechanics of prosperity. You must constantly ask how your skills, products, or ideas can alleviate burdens, solve problems, or enrich the lives of others in a manner that exceeds the current marketplace standard. By dedicating yourself to this standard of excellence, you ensure that your contributions are indispensable, which naturally positions you to command greater rewards. Ultimately, the accumulation of wealth is merely the external reward for your eternal commitment to serving the needs and desires of others with consistency. In conclusion, remember that the wealth you seek is not hidden in some distant land or reserved for a privileged few. It is a force waiting to be unlocked within the chambers of your own character. You have the power to command your thoughts, the ability to define your purpose, and the strength to persist until the world acknowledges your value. Do not look to the horizon for fortune, but look into the mirror and recognize the architect of your own destiny. I urge you to take these truths, apply them with unyielding discipline, and watch as your internal transformation forces the world to open its doors to you. I wish you the greatest success on this journey of self-mastery. Thank you for your time and your commitment to excellence. Before you go, I invite you to join our growing community of achievers by following my channel, Mind Wealth Theory, where we continue to build the blueprint for true prosperity together.